mosquito spray. I take Claritin. Yesterday, I even took a Sudafed just to see. And it would,
Right over there.
just,
The branches are
I
swinging.
did this,
Was swinging like this, like over and over.
I don't know what else.
What is happening again?
I might have another tube put in it for my thing. I mean, it ain't just going deaf. This ear is stopped up. Now this one's okay. I can't say they got this huge wax plug, but I can't say I hear any better. Maybe it's just because this ear is stopped up.
There's such a big storm.
It's a vast difference. Like today when I was talking,
Kitty, it'll be alright.
had to change it because it was
Look at
vast difference in the hearing of the two. But I think that's why I seem so hard of hearing, because this ear, I don't hear much of anything out of it. I do hear some, but
The wind has to stop, Bruce.
oh, not me. I don't know.
It looks like that there's a blizzard outside.
Is it raining?
Yeah.
No, it's wind blowing. I don't think it's raining.
No,
The
I
road's
see
not red.
No, I see it raining.
I don't.
Well, I do, and I saw like leaves flying.
I saw
around.
leaves being blown. Look at the trees over there. They are really waving.
Yeah. And I heard some of the house like or something.
Oh, I don't hear that kind of stuff. Look at my little plants, the pepper plants out there. Hope they don't blow away. And leaves just a blowing on them. See them?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
The wind is really blowing.
The branches were like flinging around though.
Mm-hmm.
Like they were moving.
I see. Look at them trees.
Look over there. Look over there.
Good gracious. That's Chris's tree. It look at it blow. I don't know about it. I don't see no rain, Chris. But it sure is blowing.
There is rain.
Well, Gracie sees rain, but you know.
Nah. It is windy.